This is the mountain resort. Wow, ganda pala dito, guys. Ganda ng garden nila. Ito yung kainan, ang place nila, guys. So nice. Parang nasa Dubai na rin ako nito. Welcome to my vlog. Hello kayo dyan. Pastor Anil and Brother John. My fiancé is there. You see, look. Behind him, they have a big fish. I get this place very nice, huh? It's very quiet. Yes, this is the outside one. Wow. Galing ng kanila sa taas, ah. See, look.